The Curious Mind.
Okay, so you're new to investing? Let's dive into a simple plan to get you started.
The number one question is, how do you start without losing all your money? It's a real fear.
Look, the truth is, most beginners do lose money. Let's make sure you're not one of them.
So, here's the game plan. A simple blueprint for your entire first year. Let's break it down.
All right, month 1 is all about homework. No investing yet. Just learn the basics and open your account.
Months 2 and 3, this is when you finally get your feet wet. Start small, track a few stocks. For the rest of the year, you'll slowly ramp things up. The goal is consistent growth, not overnight riches.
But hold on. Before you even think about this plan, there's some groundwork you have to do first.
First, build that emergency fund. Then, wipe out high-interest debt. Only then can you open an account.
So what's the best strategy? For beginners, it's got to be long-term investing. Steer clear of day trading.
Long-term means investing monthly, focusing on solid companies, and earning dividends along the way.
Now, this is super important. If you remember one rule for protecting your money, let it be this. Just 1 to 2%. That's it. Never risk more than that on any single investment. Seriously.
And of course, you've got to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, right?
Okay, let's talk about the big mistakes that crush beginners. You absolutely need to know these.
Mistake number 1, following random tips from the internet. Always do your own research.
Next up, trying to time the market. It's a losing game. Focus on time in the market.
And the big one, panic selling when things dip. That's your enemy. Try to see it as an opportunity. So, if you do all this, what kind of returns are actually realistic? Let's manage some expectations. Well, for beginners, aiming for somewhere between 8 to 15% a year is a solid, achievable goal.
Remember, the goal isn't to get rich quick. It's about steady, long-term wealth, a total marathon.
And listen to this. This comes from experienced traders. Don't start with a get-rich-quick mindset.
So, what are the key takeaways? Learn first, start small, and above all, stay consistent.
You've got the plan now. The only question left is, what's your first step going to be?
The Curious Mind.